Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. We will start lesson number 3. So, in this chapter, you will learn about comparative and superlative degrees. In Arabic, both comparative and superlative degrees are made on the pattern of afalu. So, whenever you see any word on the pattern of afalu, this means it is either representing comparative degree or superlative degree. So, ajmalu is used for both comparative and superlative. Waqtamu, askaru, ahsanu, all these are used for both comparative and superlative degree. Since both these degrees are on the pattern of afalu, so they are mamnu min as-sarf. We can use tanween with them. So same word is representing comparative and superlative degrees. So the question is, how can we differentiate between them? How will we know whether the word ajmalu is representing the comparative degree or whether it is representing the superlative degree? For this, you will see what is after the word atwalu, rajmalu. If you see harfijar min after these words, then this means it is in comparative degree. And if you see a muzafile like this, talibin, jamiatin, talibatin, if you see a muzafile after a comparative or superlative degree, then it is superlative degree. So here ahsanu, akdamu, akbaru are representing superlative degree because after them there is a mudaf alayh. Here these words atwalu, ahsanu, aksaru, akbaru are representing comparative degree because after them there is a harfijar min. So this is the difference between comparative and superlative degree in Arabic. So the word for comparative and superlative degree is afwalut tafsil. It is also called ismut tafsil. Miss Khatija.
Yes. Okay. Lesson 3. In this lesson, we learn the following: comparative and superlative degrees of the adjective. Adjectives in the comparative degree are on the pattern of efalu, like ajmalu, more beautiful; hasanu, better; asra, aswaru, smaller; akdamu, older. As we have already learnt, words on this pattern are manua min al-sarf, dipthodes, and so have no tanween. Afalu is followed by min, than, e.g. Hamid is taller than Bilal. Hamidun atawilu min Bilalin. Pardon?
Atwalu.
Ato. Oh, okay. Atwalu min al Bilalin. Efalu is the same for masculine, feminine, singular, and plural. Bilal is taller than Amina. Bilalun atwalu min Aminata. Amina is taller than Bilal. Aminatu atwalu min Bilalin. The sons are taller than the daughters. El abna'u atwalu min al binati. The daughters are taller than the sons. Al binatu atwalu min al abna'i. Note the following examples wherein min is followed by a pronoun. You are better than I. Enter asanu minni. I am shorter than you. Ana aksaru minka. They are older than we. Hum akbaru minna sinanun.
So
Afalu is also used.
now read the footnote.
So why it's not akdamu? Why akbaru? Why akdamu not there?
Sorry, you mean why we are not
Can I ask a
using
question,
akdamu?
please?
Yes, ask.
Yes, because akdamu is older, no?
Akdamu is usually used for things. Usually, for humans' age, we usually use akbaru in Arabic.
Akbaru is bigger,
Yes,
actually.
bigger. So literally, it means that they are bigger in age than
Bigger.
us. Literally, it means this, but it is used in the sense of age. They are older than we.
Okay.
Kadim is usually used for things. Anybody else? Any question?
Yeah, in my other classes, I learned the tables for ism tafdil. So when do we use the feminine form for it?
Okay, you are asking when we are using feminine. It has no feminine form. This atwalu is used for both masculine and feminine. It is same for
Okay,
both masculine and feminine, and it is same for singular and plural.
okay,
Now
that makes it
no,
easier then. Alhamdulillah. Yeah.
read the
Um,
footnote.
note that in minni, the noon has a shadda. There is no shadda with other pronouns. Minhu, minka, minki, no, minha, minhum, minna has a shadda but is made of min and na. Uh, sin, sinnun means age. Akbara sinnun means bigger in age.
Okay, so here we are using the majrur form of the pronoun because of our figure min. Next we have this one. Start from here.
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Af'alu is also used for the superlative degree. In this case, it is followed by a majrur noun. Uh, Ibrahim ahsanu talibin fil madrasati. Ibrahim is the best student in the school. Al-Azharu aqdamu jami'atin fil alami. Al-Azhar Al-Azhar is the oldest university in the world. Fatimatu akbaru talibatin fi faslina. Fatimah is the eldest student in our class. The Arabic name for both the comparative and superlative degree is af'alu tafdil.
So if after the afalu tasir you see a muzaf ilayh, then this means it is superlative degree. If you see harf jar min after afalu tasir, then it means it is comparative degree. You need to remember this difference. Miss Noor,
Walakinna, but is one of the sisters of Inna, and so acts like Inna. Example, Bilalun mujtahidun, walakinna Hamidan kaslanu. Bilal is hardworking, but Hamid is lazy. Akhi mutazawijun, walakinna azaw azab
walakinni
azabun.
azabun.
Walakinni walakinni azabun. My brother is married, but I am bachelor. Sayarati qadimatun walakinnaha qawiyatun. My car is old, but it is strong.
Miss Rina,
Ka'anna
Yes, sir.
next.
Ka'anna is one of the sis Ka'anna is one of the sister of Inna, and so the noun following it is mansub. It means it looks as if. Example, Ka'annal imama maridun. It looks as if the imam is sick. Man hadahal fatatu
Hazihil fatatu.
ka'annaha Man hadhil fatatu ka'annaha ukhtuka. Who is this girl? It looks as if she is your sister. Ka'anna hadhihi sayyarata lahu. It looks as if this car belonged to him. Ka'annaka minal Hindi. You seem to be from India.
Now we
The
will learn the
number from
counting
11
from.
to
Okay, Mr. Rizwana, tell me masculine counting
Yes, sir.
from 1 to 10. Like one student, two students, three male students, four male students, like this.
Why this na?
What is the Arabic of one male student? Do you have any question from the previous
Sir,
one?
I didn't get you.
Do you have any question?
Yes, yes, I have.
Yes, ask.
Sir, that in Azan, as-salatu khairum minan naum. It is
Yeah.
not on the pattern of afalu.
Khair mean better. It is not an ism tafsil. Okay. It is a
That
simple
is
noun.
comparison. Khairum
It
minan
is
naum.
another type of noun. Okay. It is
Meaning,
another type of noun, and I wonder whether this type of noun is in this book or not, but I am not sure. But it is another type of noun.
yeah, because I thought min is there, but afalu is not there.
But that is not ismu tafsil. Min is used with the ismu tafsil, and that is another type of noun. Its rules are different than ismu tafsil. Okay, meaning is better
But
thereafter.
that is in comparative.
Yes, it
Uh-huh.
is not comparative degree in Arabic grammar. Okay, in English better is used for comparative degree, but in Arabic that word khair is not for comparative degree.
But
Okay.
in translation, we say salat is better than sleep, no?
Yes.
Better.
Any question, anybody? Okay. Now Rizwana, tell me the counting for one male student, two male students.
Oh, I was absent or what for that?
Did you forget the counting from 1 to 10? Miss Satya?
No, that why this na or al ula or al sani? I should say first, second, or only why this na?
Whole. What is the Arabic for one male student? One male
Why
student.
talib?
No.
Talibu,
Talibun.
Taliban,
Talibun wahidun.
Talibun wahidun, Taliban isnan, Salah salasat salasa talibuna
So, wrong answer.
talibun
From 3 to 10, Madud.
salasatu
Jamma Majroor.
uh,
Salasatu Tulabin.
salasatu tullabin, yes. Salasatu tullabin, arba'atu tullabin, khamsatu tullabin, sittatu tullabin, sab'atu tullabin, samaniyatu tullabin, tis'atu tullabin, ashratu tullabin.
Satya, tell me counting for female students. One female student, two female students, three female students.
Uh, a female student. Talibatun. Talibatun wahidun.
طالبة واحدة.
ya. Talibatun wahidatun. Talibatani isnatani. Dan salah satu talibatin. Salah satu talibatin.
Salasu for female. Salasu
Is that correct?
talibatin.
Salasu talibatin. Arba'u talibatin. Kamsu talibatin. Situ talibatin. Sabau talibatin. Samaniau
Samadhi.
Samaniu talibatin. Tisa talibatin.
Tisu.
Ashra
Ashru.
Tisu talibatin. Ashru talibatin.
Now we learn the counting from 11 till 20. So remember, from 3 to 10, Madud is Jama Majroor, like to, Tulabin, Talibatin. But from 11 till 99, Madud is singular Mansoob,
Mudaf.
which is Taliban, Talibatan, Kaukaban, Kitaban. It is singular Mansoob from 11 till 99, the Madud. Rest of the rows you will study here. Miss Khatija.
Sorry. From where are we? Are we numbers 11 to 10, yeah?
Number 4. Yes.
Yeah. The numbers from 11 to 10 with a masculine madud.
20. 11 to 20.
Oh, sorry, 11 to 20 with a masculine madud. These numbers are compound. They consist of two parts. The ma'dud is singular, mansoob, e.g. 11 stars, ahda, ashra, kawkaban, 19 books, tisata, ashra, kitaban. We will deal with these numbers under four heads. Numbers 11 to 12, here both parts agree with the ma'dud, e.g. 11 male students, ahda ashra taliban. 11 female students, ihda ashrata talibatan. 12 male students, ithnan ashra taliban. 12 female students, ithnata ashrata talibatan. The numbers from 13 to 19, here the second part agrees with the ma'dud and the first part does not, e.g. Thalatha ashrata talibatin. Thalatha masculine, ashrata talibatin feminine. Thalathata feminine, ashra taliban masculine. As you can see in thalathata ashra taliban, the ma'dud taliban is masculine. So the second part of the number of ashra is masculine, while the first part is the letter is feminine, as indicated by the Dhammabuddha ending. In the letter ashrata talibatan, the ma'dud talibatan is feminine, so the second part of the number ashrata is also feminine, while the first part, the letter, is masculine, as indicated by the absence of Dhammabuddha. In this lesson, we learn these numbers only with the masculine ma'dud. We will learn them again with the feminine ma'dud in lesson 6.
So for masculine we will use ashara, for feminine we will use asharata, and then the rest of the counting is from 13 to 19 is same as compared to 3 to 10. So for 3 we use salasa. So same thing will be used with 13 salasata. Same thing for the okay, Miss Niswan.
Tullabun is not used.
Sorry,
The plural tullabun.
from 3 to 10, Madud is Jamma Majroor. That's why we say Tullabin. But from 11 till 99, Madud is singular mansub. So that's why it is Taliban.
Taliban. Taliban.
Others are same from 3 to 10 and from 13 to 19, but Madud are different. Hmm, okay. Can anyone tell me what is Mabni and what is Morab?
Mabni is not changeable.
Can
Fixed.
anyone tell me what is Arab and what are Harakat?
Irab is the state of the word.
Harakat the vowels.
Harakats are the vowels and Arab are the last vowel. Okay. So here Yantaziru, all these Fatha, Kasra, Dhamma are Harakats and they never change no matter what kind of sentence it is. So these will remain the same.
Fixed.
But Arab is the last vowel and it changes according to the sentence. Okay.
Yes.
So three types of Arab are Marfu, Mansoob and Majroor. Okay.
Yes.
What are the three types of Arab?
Mansub,
Marfu,
marfu, and
majroor
majroor.
and mansub.
What is difference between Harakat and Arab?
Harakat is located in the first, um, the vowels in the letters, while the ihrab is the last vowel.
Okay. And Harakat does not change according to the sentence, but Arab changes according to the sentence.
So
Okay.
that is Mabni, and what is the word for that changing?
Okay. Now
Mabni is fixed.
there are
What
some
is for
words whose Arab does not change. Those words are called Mabni, and there are those words whose Arab changes according to the sentence are called Morab.
huh?
If
More,
Morab,
more,
Mim Ain Ra Ba Morab,
more, more.
and the word whose Arab does not change according to the sentence is called Mabni. So 90% words in Arabic are Morab, you can say around 90%, and around 10% are Mabni. So can anyone give me example of more words?
After and the word after it, like birofatin.
The word like Ghurfa, Kitab, Sayyara, all these are more up because their Arab changes according to the sentence. And any example for Mabni word?
Min,
Min, okay.
Man,
Heather.
Min, man, haza,
Fi,
Fi,
ala.
hazi, fi, America, Franca. So these words are Mabni, they never change no matter what kind of sentence. Miss Niswan,
uh, the words isna and isnata in isna ashra and isnata ashrata are mu'rab and declinable. And when majrur and mansub, they become isnai and isnatai. Idi, indi isna ashara riyalan. I have 12 riyals. Uridu nine ashara riyalan. I want 12 riyals. Hadal kitabu bisnai ashara riyalan. This book costs 12 riyals.
Read this point number C also.
See, this number mabni, indeclinable. In other words, they do not change to indicate their function in the sentence. This will become clear by comparing the numbers from 3 to 10 with these numbers. Indi salah satu riyalatin. I have 3 riyals. Uridu salah sata riyalatin. I want 3 riyals. Hadal qalamu bi salah sati riyalatin. This pen costs 3 riyals. Indi salah sata asyara riyalan. Uridu salah sata asyara riyalan. Hazal qalamu bi salasata asyara riyalan. Note that the isna and isnata commence with hamzah al-waslu and it is omitted in pronunciation when preceded by a word.
Okay. So note the difference here. From 3 to 10, the numbers are more up. They change according to the sentence. So here you see salasatu, salasata, salasati. Arab are changing. But from 11 till 19, the numbers are mabni. Their Arab never change. Salasata shara, salasata shara, salasata shara. It remains same in every situation. Miss Noor, point number D.
The number 20 is ishruna. It has the same form of for both the masculine and the feminine madud, and the madud is singular mansub. Example: asharuna tolibatan. Yes, no. Ishruna tolibatan. Ishruna toliban. We will learn that the numbers from 30 to 90 in lesson 23. Inshallah, we will learn there the other cases of these numbers as well.
Anybody, any question? So now we'll take the break, and after the break, inshallah, we'll continue. Join the meeting
Inshallah.
using the same link.